Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're diving into a review of Ava Credit Builder, a tool designed to help you build or improve your credit in a simple app-driven way. If you're looking for a straightforward way to boost your score, this might be worth checking out. Let's explore how it works, what's great, and what to watch out for. Ava Credit Builder works like this. You set up an account and deposit funds, which are then held in a savings-style lockbox. As you repay fixed monthly installments, Ava reports your payments to all three major credit bureaus, Experian, TransUnion, and Equifax. Make your payments on time, and over time, your credit profile improves. One of the biggest advantages is that Ava doesn't run a hard pull on your credit when you sign up, making approval easy. Plus, you earn interest on the held funds, so your money isn't just sitting there. It's a simple pay and save approach that's beginner-friendly and low-risk. On the downside, there is a monthly fee, usually around $9-15, depending on the plan you choose. That covers account management, reporting, and support. And since the money is locked until you finish the payment schedule, you can't access it until the end. Another thing to consider is that Ava doesn't offer additional credit tools like personalized tips, line of credit options, or partner banking features. If you're comfortable monitoring and improving credit yourself, that might be fine. But if you want more coaching or financial services, a full-service credit builder bank or app might be better. So, who is Ava Credit Builder best for? It's ideal if you're brand new to credit, prefer fixed payments, and want a clean, easy app experience with guaranteed credit bureau reporting. It's also a smart pick if you like the idea of earning interest on your held funds while building credit. However, if you already have moderate credit or prefer a broader range of financial tools alongside credit building, you may want to compare Ava with credit unions, secured credit cards, or mobile banking apps that offer more diversity. That's everything you need to know about Ava Credit Builder. If you've tried it, I'd love to hear your experience in the comments below. What worked and what didn't? If you found this helpful, go ahead and like, subscribe, and tap the bell for more honest reviews and money tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.